Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to find the serial number and the model number on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead, jump to the video right now. So along with the model and the serial number, we can actually find the manufacturing date for your PlayStation 5. And mine was made November of 2020, and it's just about 2 years old. So let's go ahead and locate the model and serial number. And all we have to do is turn our PlayStation 5, and we can find all the information on the bottom of the PlayStation, located right here. So the serial number will be this barcode looking thing, and the model number will be under where it says Sony, and the manufacturing date will be right in the middle. So let's zoom in on the manufacturing date. So right in the center of the screen, we can see my PlayStation 5 was made November of 2020. So this is in the middle of the bottom of the PlayStation 5. Now let's locate the model number, which is located on the left. So you can see it right under where it says Sony. Now the model number will have 3 letters. It will be CFI, then followed by like 100 times a letter A or B. So mine says model CFI 1015A. So you can find it right here where it says Sony. Now let's go to the far right and find the serial number. So here is the serial number on the PlayStation 5. Now this will be 11 characters and is located on the bottom of the PlayStation 5 when positioned vertically. So we can find it right here, this barcode looking thing. Here's where the serial number is, manufacturing date, and the model number over here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.